Fastest way to check if a value exists in a list. What is the fastest way to check if a value exists in a very large list?
Clearest and fastest way to do it. You can also consider using a set, but constructing that set from your list may take more time than faster membership testing will save. The only way to be certain is to benchmark well. This also depends on what operations you require.
You could put your items into a set. Set lookups are very efficient. Try. Edit in a comment you say that you'd like to get the index of the element. Unfortunately, sets have no notion of element position. An alternative is to pre-sort your list and then use binary search every time you need to find an element.
Usage. I believe this is the fastest way to know if a chosen value is in an array.
As stated by others, and can be very slow for large lists. Here are some comparisons of the performances for in, set, and bisect. Note the time in second is in log scale. Code for testing.